Hello students, myself Ashish Chawla. Let's continue the topic exponents. The next question is find the value of x for which 5 by 3 raised to the power minus 4 into 5 by 3 raised to the power minus 5 gives you 5 by 3 raised to the power 3x. So here what we see here that the base are same. On the left hand side we have the base 5 by 3 and on the right hand side we have the base 5 by 3. So here the base are same and they are multiplied, so the powers are get added. So 5 by 3 you have to add the powers, that is minus 4 bracket minus 5, 5 by 3 raised to the power 3 by 3x. So 5 by 3 minus 4 plus into minus we are getting minus is equals to 5 by 3 raised to the power 3x. So 5 by 3 minus 4 minus 5, that is minus 9, is equals to 5 by 3 raised to the power 3x. So here on the both the sides we have the same base, that is 5 by 3. So their power and they are equal. So their base, so their powers must be equal. So powers must be equal. So it means minus 9 is equals to 3x. So that's why x equals to minus 9 divided by 3 gives you minus 3. So our answer is minus 3. X is equals to minus 3. Now let's solve one more problem. By what number should minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 9 raised to the power minus 1, so that the product become 9 raised to the power minus 1. Let's solve the problem. We have to multiply minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 by some number. Let's say the number is x. We are multiplying minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 by x to get the product 9 raised to the power minus 1. Now in order to make the exponent positive, minus 1 is the negative exponent. In order to make the exponent positive we have to reciprocal the base. So the base is reciprocal 1 by minus 6 raised to the power 1 into x. Same way here we write 9 as 1 by 9 raised to the power 1. So x is equals to 1 by 9 raised to the power 1 means 1 by 9 simply, and 1 by minus 6 when we shift to the left hand side it become minus 6 by 1. So x is equals to, now 9 and 6 are get cancelled by 3 times, and that is minus 2 times. So our answer is minus 2 by 3. So the answer is minus 2 by 3. Let's solve one more problem. 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 gives you 125. Find the value of x. If we divide 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 by 25, it will give you 125. Now, in order to solve such type of problems, what we see here that 5, 25 and 125 all are can be written in the powers of 5. So 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 can be written as 5 raised to the power 2, and 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3. Now here they are having the same base, that is 5, and they are divided. So when they are divided the powers are get subtracted. So 2x plus 1 minus 2 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. So 2x plus 1 minus 2 gives you 2 raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3. So here the base are same, that is 5. So the powers are also same. So 2x minus 1 gives you 3. So 2x equals to 1 plus 3 gives you 4. So x is equals to 2, that is 4 divided by 2. So the answer is 2. Write the number 73.125 in expanded form with the help of exponent. Now here we have to represent this number in expanded form, and we have to write this expanded form with the help of exponent. So 73.125 can be written as 70 we write as 7 into 10 because 7 is the 10th place, so we have to multiply by 10 into 3, and since it is at the unit place we have to multiply it by 1 plus, now 1 is at the 10th place, so we have to write 1 by 10, and 2 is the 100th place, so it can be written as 2 by 100, and 5 is the 1000th place, so it can be written as 5 by 1000. So we have to represent this number with the help of exponent. So we write simply 7 into 10 to the power 1 and 3. 1 can be written as 10 to the power 0. Now here 10 is at the numerator. To shift it to the numerator side, we have to make the power negative. So here the power of 10 is 1. When we shift to the upside, it becomes negative. So now 2 by 100. So when we shift 100 to the upside, it becomes negative. 100 means 10 raised to the power 2. Now when we shift 10 raised to the power 2 to the numerator side, it becomes negative. In the same way, 1000 means 10 raised to the power 3. When we shift 10 raised to the power 3 on the upside, it becomes negative. So we write 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this is the expanded form of a number with the help of exponents. Let's move to the next question. Represent the following numbers in scientific notation. The first number is 2537000, and the second number is 0.000378. Now if I want to represent these two numbers in the scientific notation, before the decimal there is only one significant digits. So now the first number is 2537, 3 times 0, and after this 0 there is a decimal sign, that is 0 decimal then 0. Now we have to shift this decimal. Before this decimal we have only the one digit. Before this decimal we have only one digit in scientific notation. So how many times we have to shift this decimal point? 1 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 2.537 into 10 raised to the power 6. Why 6? Because we are shifting the decimal point to the 6 places left. So so this number can be written as 2.537 into 10 raised to the power 6. Now the second, as we are moving to the left side, so the powers is get positive. Now when we are moving to the right side, the powers of 10 is negative. For example, in the second case, 0.000378. Again we have to move the decimal point in such a way that there is only one significant digit before the decimal. So we have to shift this decimal 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and the fourth time. When we move the decimal fourth place is left, we have one digit before the decimal. So it is written as 3.78 10 raised to the power. So as we are moving to the right side, so it becomes 10 raised to the power minus 4. So 0.000378 can be written as 3.78 10 raised to the power minus 4. As we are moving to the right side, so the power is get negative. Now when we are moving to the left side, the power is get positive. So in this way we can represent the numbers in scientific notation. Thank you.